What's going on, guys? I'm super excited for this video today because I'm bringing you something brand new to this channel. We've never talked about this on this channel before. In fact, I didn't even know this existed until recently. I kind of heard about it a long time ago. We didn't really look into it. We're going to be doing a tutorial for beginners on DigiStore. Now, if you don't know what that is, don't worry. I'm going to take you through exactly what it is and how it's going to benefit you. I'm going to show you how to make money with this, okay? Step by step, how you can make money with DigiStore. This is going to be a great tutorial, so buckle in, sit back, get some popcorn, get ready, because I'm going to take you through step by step how you can make money online with DigiStore. And if you've been kind of like living under a rock like I was, I've never heard of it before, I'll explain to you what it is, how it works, and how it can benefit you to make money online. Now, as always, guys, I have some free gifts for you in this training, so make sure you stay all the way to the end so you know when I drop those goodies for you, okay? Those gifts, those goodies, whatever you want to call them. I've got a lot of free stuff for you in this video to help you make money online. Now, this is going to be a simple process, just a few simple steps to show you how to make money online from start to finish. By the time you get to the end of this video, you'll be an expert on how to use DigiStore and how to make money from it. And this is kind of like a DigiStore review as well. And it's also called DigiStore 24, which is a weird kind of name. But anyway, we'll just stick with DigiStore. Now, the reason this is going to benefit a lot of you guys is simple. So DigiStore is a platform where you can find products to promote. It's kind of like ClickBank. Now, if you've been watching my ClickBank tutorials, a lot of you guys have been saying, hey, I can't sign up to ClickBank. It doesn't work for you, things like that. That's because sometimes ClickBank doesn't let specific countries use it. DigiStore is worldwide. And so if you've had trouble with ClickBank, you can use DigiStore. And more importantly, DigiStore has a PayPal payout solution. ClickBank does not. So you can't get paid out by PayPal with ClickBank. Now, DigiStore actually has a lot of products on there from ClickBank. So it's kind of like the same thing, but better for some of you guys. I'm not saying ClickBank, sorry. I'm not saying ClickBank is bad. I love ClickBank. I just think that DigiStore might benefit some of you guys better than ClickBank. Now, if you don't know what we're talking about in this tutorial, guys, we're going to be talking about how you can promote products from this DigiStore platform to make money. And what happens is you send people to a product, you get a commission. This one is 92%, and I'll show you how to find this product. 92% commission, the person that owns it gets money, and you get money in return. In fact, let's move some of these bags because you would be getting more bags than him because he's giving away a 92% commission. So let's get into this training. The first step is simple. You want to go to digistore24.com, okay? So digistore24.com, and you want to go to register now, and you want to go through the process of signing up to this platform, which is super simple. You want to scroll down, and you want to click affiliate, okay? Because you're going to be an affiliate. You're not a vendor or anything like that. But if you want to, you can do vendor and affiliate if you want to sell your own product now or later on or something like that. But in this case, just go to affiliate and you want to put in your username. And then what will happen is when you put in your username, it's going to generate you your custom affiliate link down here. Okay? So that's what you would do there. And then you got to put in your email, your password, and just standard stuff. And then click required here. And then go to register for free. So go and sign up, guys, digistore24.com. Now, the next step is simple. Let me just go back to here. What you want to do now is once you've signed into Digistore 24, we need to activate so we can get paid. So you want to go set up your payment, your payout account, and that'll be there when you actually sign into Digistore. And then put in your current password, and then payout per, just leave it on standard. And then threshold is how much you get paid, okay? So, you know, it'll wait till $50 or $100. Just leave it on 50. The standard's pretty good. And then you can just leave this like this. But what's important is down here, payment method. You can get paid by PayPal, US bank transfer, or international bank transfer. With ClickBank, you only get international bank transfer or US bank transfer and a check. But because it's kind of same as ClickBank, same concept. But maybe just leave it on standard and then click save, okay? The next step is you want to go to Marketplace and you want to go to all offers on the affiliate marketplace and you want to find an offer to promote. Now, there's all of these different niches on the side that you can click. It's kind of like works the same as ClickBank. So you just click these and you'll find a product to promote. Now, I've found this product here that we're going to be using in this tutorial. They did over $500,000 last month on ClickBank, and now they're doing it here. There's two things you want to do. You want to get your affiliate link, which is this here. So you just click on this, and it's going to actually show you the offer. But more importantly, you just, so it'll say promote. Oh, let me just refresh this actually, it's glitched out. You click promote here, so promote now, and then your link pops up, and then you copy your link. So this is your affiliate link here. I've already done it on this one here, that's why it shows it there. But just scroll down and there's lots of products you can promote, and it's got the commissions and stuff like that. But you might be thinking, how can they afford to pay 92% commission? Because they've got upsells in the back end and they make money that way. They give you 92% commission on the front end. Okay, so with this one we can get around about $44 per sale. That's what we would get. So how do you make money with this? How do you go and make money with this and all that sort of stuff? There's lots of different programs you can promote, but for this example, we're going to promote this one. First of all, you want to open up the affiliate support page down there, this little thing down here, and it's going to open up this page where you can get heaps of resources. For this particular product, just go, yes, I want some easy cash, and then put in the details. Once you put in the details, it's going to take you to this page here that's got all of the information that you can use to promote this product. So in this case, we've got emails, Facebook and YouTube stuff that you can use. These are some of the ads that they're using right now that people are using to promote this. It's got everything you need to promote this product. You really want to find products with resources to use because it helps you make more money, okay? Because you've got everything there that you need to make money with the product. Now, what you want to do in this kind of like thing, guys, is we want to do something. We don't want to send people straight to the affiliate link. The reason is we want to collect emails. We want to build an email list. We want to build our own sort of like thing, and then we can promote stuff to people later. So what you want to do is you want to create a little page here that you can send people to collect emails and then send them to the product. I've got a free page below that you can use, okay? Completely free. Click the link in the description and you'll be able to get this for free, okay? Now, what I do now is I can then edit it in my backend. Now, what I use to do this, guys, is a program called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a software that you can use to build funnels and things like that. You are going to need something like this. You don't have to get this one, but something like this if you want to start an online business, because you need to collect emails. There is a link for this one below. It's an affiliate link. I might get a commission, but if you click that, you can get a free trial of this product, and then you can import the funnel that I have. You need ClickFunnels for that. You won't be able to use it otherwise you have to go and make your own. But once you import it, I'm not going to give you a tutorial on how to use ClickFunnels. I'll actually leave a free tutorial below on how to build funnels. But once you import it, it'll take you into this page here. And we can actually edit this page, and we can collect emails on this page. We want to use this as a bridge page to collect emails first before we send people to the offer. It's very important, okay? So I'm just going to, new online system shows you how to make money online in 2020. See how easy it is for me to edit this, 2020, without any product of your own. And I'm going to click save. Now, how do we connect everything up for the product? So the first thing you want to do is you want to go back to here and you want to copy your affiliate link. Okay? And you want to go to here. So if you want a tutorial on how to actually create funnels fully and use ClickFunnels, I will leave a tutorial below. This is not about how to actually use ClickFunnels and stuff. There'll be a free training below that'll take you through step by step if you don't know how to use ClickFunnels. But that's what we use to build these pages and stuff. What I'm going to do now is go to settings and I'm going to go to general. And when it says on submit go to, I'm actually going to change that to my affiliate link. So when someone submits, so if I push enter on that, when someone goes and puts the email in, it'll then get directed to that affiliate page. Let me show you real quick. Preview. Put in my email address. And there you go. It got redirected to that offer. I just created that. Just so simple. So I send people to this page. But what we need to do now is we need to set it up so it connects to an email system. Now, once again, I'll leave a tutorial below on how to set up a complete email system. I'm not going to do it in this video because it does take some time, but I'll explain to you kind of how that works. Now, the email system I use is called GetResponse. This is really the best one for beginners, and it's the cheapest. They have a completely 30-day free trial. ClickFunnels also has a free trial. So you can use this for free for 30 days. You don't need a credit card. I'll leave a link for that below as well, but you can use this for free. Now, if we actually go to here, what you can actually do is in the ClickFunnels settings, you can actually add GetResponse as an integration. You can Google how to do that, or it's in the tutorial below. If I go to settings and integrations, you'll see that I've actually integrated it, and I can go add to campaign. And I can actually choose, let me just do that here, GetResponse. Add to campaign. I can actually choose a list to put it on. I can put people on a list when they give me their email. What happens then? So I can choose a list. I'm not going to choose one now because otherwise it'll lock it in for people that are using this because I'm sharing this funnel. But once that's locked in, once people give me their email, it's going to go to the email list where I send out emails every single day in the back end. And this is what it looks like. So this might look a little bit confusing to you, but don't worry, it's very simple to understand. What I do is I go, and once again, there's a video below on this. What I do is people come in through this form. So this is what connects to here, and they get sent emails every single day. Oh, that's not an email. Every single day, they get sent emails. This is an email marketing system that's set up in the back end, okay? So every single day they're getting promoted the product because chances are the person's not really going to purchase the product the first time they see it. They're going to be purchasing it, 2, 3, 4, 5 days down the track. If we have a look at this one here, we have 192 sales, but you'll notice that we had 41 sales here. We had 26 sales here. We had 43 sales here. We had 36 sales here. And we had 45 there. So we're getting sales every single day. This is where most people make the fatal mistake in their affiliate marketing business. They send people to an offer and they're like, oh, we're not making any money. Affiliate marketing is a scam. No, you have to set up a back-end email marketing system where you send emails every single day. And this is what this is. This is a system that's set up. So what we've done now in this video is I've showed you how to quickly edit this page you can get for free below. And then I'm going to click save. Once you have this page that's, it's really easy to edit, by the way. Guys, look, I'm just editing it here. If you want to add things in, you go to element, add element, and I can drag in whatever I want. Add elements, and I can drag in like this. I can drag in some text there. Very simple to use, and these simple pages work the best. They get the best opt-in rates. So that means you get the most emails. Now, if I go back real quick, I'm going to get given this link, this URL. So this is the URL here. If I copy this, what this is going to do is it's going to take me to this page. And then put in the email again. And then boom, it's gone to this page here. Now, if I'd had the correct email system hooked up to this, which you should have, it would have then taken people into my email marketing system, which is right here. Once again, I have a video below on how to do that. It's completely free for you to watch. You don't have to pay for that video. It's a YouTube video. Now, the next step is how do you actually go out and get traffic to the link? Okay, so you actually need to send people to this offer. So you need to send George, Jeff, Sarah, Lisa. You need to send all of these people to this offer so then they can get redirected to here. How do you do that to make the commission? You only need 2 or 3 commissions to make $100 a day with this one. It's quite a good paying one. How do you do this? Well, the best way for beginners to get started, now this isn't the best way to continue on. I would recommend doing like ads and stuff later on. But for beginners, what I recommend you use is a method called solo ads. So go to udemy.com, udimi.com. I'll leave a link for that below as well. And what this is you can actually click on these people and you can actually buy clicks, okay? So you can buy visitors. And what this is these guys have big email list, and they'll promote your link to their email list, and you can purchase clicks. So you can purchase 200 clicks off this guy for $143, which is not that bad. It's less than $100 per click. Sorry, less than $1 per click. And they usually over deliver by 20 or 30%. So all you do is you go and get your link from your thing here. So you go and get your link from whatever funnel system you're using, and you go to this page, udemy.com. These are called solo ads. And the reason these are good for Make Money Online products is because they're sending it to email lists that with people are interested in Make Money Online products. Okay, now you can get a 40% discount on $100 orders. So that's pretty good. You're getting a discount. He can even create a custom page for you. But all you do is you put in your affiliate your link here to your funnel, and you click Add to Cart. And all that's going to do is it's going to add it to your cart, and you purchase those clicks by paying with card or PayPal. But it's very important that you actually wait for people to go through your email marketing system, because as you can see, we're getting sales every single day on different days. Okay, we get sales on different days. We go down again, we're getting more sales here. So it's very important that you actually wait for people to go through that system that you've created. And this is the best traffic to use. This is called udemy.com. And you just go to Find Sellers. And once you're in Find Sellers, you just scroll down and there's lots of people you can buy. These guys do 45 cents a click, 40 cents a click, 55 cents a click, 90 cents a click. So that, guys, is exactly how you can go and make money with the DigiStore platform. DigiStore is essentially the same as ClickBank, but there's a benefit because you can get paid through PayPal, and it'll work for a lot of you guys that are having trouble with ClickBank, okay? And they have lots of products that you can promote. Now, they don't have a huge amount of products, but it is building up now. It is building up over time. If we go to like health and fitness, there's a bunch of products in here as well, okay? But it is building up. So if you had trouble with ClickBank, you can try DigiStore. It's a great way to go find some products to promote if you want to do affiliate marketing. Now, if you want some more training on affiliate marketing, I'll leave some videos up on the screen that are completely free for you to watch. They won't cost you anything. If you have any questions, let me know below. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video on the right.